How to set up Discord community server. Want to build a big, active community with awesome tools? Today I will show you how to turn your server into a Discord community server with special features that help you grow and manage your growth. Let's get started. First, open your Discord server. Click the server name at the top left and select Server Settings from the drop-down. In Server Settings, click on Community in the left menu. Then click Enable Community to start Setup Wizard. Discord will guide you through important steps. Set a rules channel where members can see your server rules. Set a moderation channel for announcements or updates. Enable explicit content filter to keep things safe. Set a verification level to control who can join. Fill out each part carefully. This helps keep your community safe and welcoming. After completing the wizard, click Finish and your server will have community features enabled. You will now get access to special tools like insights, welcome screen, and announcement channels. And that's how you set up a Discord community server. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.